In this video, I will show you how to assign limited user access to a protected PDF file. So first open Windows Explorer, locate the file you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. In the writer window, choose the Document Access tab. Using the drop-down, select Selected Customers. Then select the Expiry and Validity tab. In the Verify Document Access area, select each time the document is opened. Selecting this option means that each time the document is opened, a check will be made with the server to verify user access is still authorized. We will leave all other options as set by default. So once we're happy with that, just click Publish. The protection status window appears, confirming that the protection status has succeeded. Click OK. The newly protected document now appears in the listing under the original PDF. Please note it now has a .pdc extension. This is now a protected PDF file, which can only be opened with the Locklizard Secure PDF viewer. If we double-click on the file, the Safeguard Secure viewer will open and attempt to load the file. However, a message appears saying you don't have access to this document. If you think this is incorrect, contact, and that's the publisher of the document. Okay, that's because access hasn't yet been granted. So we'll click OK, close the viewer, and close Windows Explorer for now. To assign access to this document, we will now have to log into the Safeguard admin system. So click on the Windows icon, scroll down to L, click on Locklizard, and then select Administration System. Enter your user details and log in. Select the Customers tab. From the list of customers, select the customer you wish to grant access to. If you have a long list of customers, you can search for them using the filter field. So if you start typing the customer's name, when it appears in the drop-down, you can click on it, and there's his record. Okay, Alan Jones in this case. So then click on the Details button, scroll down to Managed Access area, and select Set Document Access. Window will open and show all the documents that user currently does not have access to. As you can see, access equals no. So select the document you've just created. In this case, it's the Access Overview. Select the document. If you have several documents you wish to give access to the user, you can select more than one. Okay. In this case, we only give an access to the one document. So we select that. With all checked, use the drop-down. Grant limited access. Okay, so we select grant limited access, and you now get a from and an until date field. Okay, so from will be today's date, 22nd, and then until will be the expiry date for access to the document. So in this case, we're just going to give 1 week's access to the document. So from the 22nd through, we'll give it to the following Friday, the 30th. So he has 1 week and 1 day's access to that document. Once you're happy with those settings, just click OK. Message appears saying grant limited access to Access Overview has been done. Okay, and it's disappeared from the list because the user now has access to it. Once you're happy with that, close that window, scroll up, log out of the admin system, and close the browser. Now we'll check and see if the user now does have access. So we'll open Windows Explorer again, double click on the document again, the Safeguard Secure Viewer will open, and again load the document. And this time we can view the document because we now have access to it. So there we are. We've created the document, we've then granted access to it, and I'm now viewing it. And the date of the document expiry is also displayed in the bottom right-hand corner of the viewer. So once you're finished, close the viewer, Close Windows Explorer.